Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your phone application, then go to contact, then select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on this avatar icon here, then you can select if you want to take photo or choose photo from the gallery. Then you have to select photo which you want to set. Let's select photo. Here you can adjust it and then tap OK, and then tap here, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.